Hi, this is Adas. Today I'm going to show you the very basic Cricut cutting, how to make a card. I would like to say like a thank you card for your friend if you wanted to make it really quick. How you can make a thank you card for your friend. So I'm going to use my Cricut machine and some of the basic supplies that I have to show you how I use to make my own greetings. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is my Cricut cutter and this is a personal electric cutter, Provocraft, and this is the basic model, and this is a machine which look like this. So the code is right at the back right here, so I'm going to connect the code. And I start my Cricut machine, and here is how it looks like. To give a basic tour of it, this is not the big one, this is a basic small old-fashioned one, but it does my work. It does what it needed to do. Here, how much pressure the needle has to press on to the paper, and this is the size of the letters, and this is the speed. So it's when you open it, it says insert cartridges. So these are the cartridge collections I own. I ranked it from my favorite to least, and this one is Jasmine. And I use this for printing alphabets and the shapes. And this one is Beyond Birthdays, which I use pretty much for Valentine's Day and Halloween and Christmas celebration. I use this kind of cartridge. And this one is George and Basic Shapes, which I use mostly for work, to print out children's names and work names and for labeling. And this cartridge, I use it for to print the card frames, and also it contains some of the seasonal printings like summer, fall, winter, and spring. So this is for that. And the last one is mostly for celebrations like birthdays, and baby shower and wall decorations and dollies and pom-poms, and it has up to 700 images, and all of them are Provocraft, so it will work for any Cricut machine. So here I am ready to print. So for printing I need first the cutting mat. So this is a cutting mat, and you can buy it from any craft store, and this comes in a 2-pack. This is a 6x12. You can get 12x12 if you have a big machine, and this is a 6x12, and I use one and I saved the other one for later, and it has a cover on the top. I take that part off because this is sticky. This mat is sticky for the paper to stay on. So after getting my mat ready, what I need is load in the cartridge. So I take today I'm going to use George and Basic Shapes. So this has lots of letters and the shapes and basic wordings, like bless you and thanks, I love you. So this is a basic thing. I'm going to use that today to show this tutorial. So I place the letter pad there, and this is a cartridge, and I take it and place it right in here. So as I said earlier, this is for the speed. This one is for speed. This one is for how much pressure for the paper, and this one is for the size. So I can look into the catalog and decide which one I want to do. So a little more bigger look, closer, bigger look. So I put my shape, the George and Basic mat pad on there, and my cartridge is on, so I'm ready to go. So right now I have to load the paper. load paper. And then now I can pick out the size of it. So I'm picking out 1.5. I'm going to pick 1.5. 1.5. You can see it right there. Yes. And now I'm going to type in what I wanted to type. So I'm going to type, of course, you can guess what I am typing. Explore. And so this is where you need to focus, this is where I'm going to tell you what to do to get you can notice in every button there is two prints, Q and circle. So to get the top shape, not the letter one, letters are in the bottom, the top shape, you press Shift and press the AND button. So above 7 is AND. In order to get AND, I pressed Shift and pressed AND. So you wanted to have only the top patterns, you just Shift lock. So I just need AND one time. So I backspace, just as in computer, and explore and inspire. Explore and inspire, my channel name. All right, so after that you go ahead and say cut and let it do its work. So while it's cutting, I wanted to take you through some of the examples that I have cut in the past. So these are some of the examples. You can see the thank you and congrats. Again, congrats at the Bravo in a box, and thank you cards, and the insert and the frame. You can use both of it. So I will show you how you can make a card easily. Like you can make a thank you card like this, or if you wanted to congratulate somebody, glue this in the middle and close the window. It's like a congratulations, congrats card. And this one you can use it with a frame with another paper and use this as a top one. And here I will show you how I'll make it put together and make a card. So this is you did it on a piece of the ellipse shape, and I put it on the top, and when I glue it, it becomes a very cool card. And down here also some of the examples of my cutting, Cricut cutting. So this is the thinking of you. You can put it on a big piece of paper if you want to make a big card. And thank you for the thank you cards. This is the frame of it. The insert has taken earlier, and this is also a frame of the thank you card, and it has taken. So, and I have all the supplies here, the scissors and glue and everything to cut and paste the prints. So, and after that I can use some of the extra stickers like this. You can buy it from the store, art store, and stickers to make to decorate more if you want to decorate the card more beautiful with lots of stickers. I can add them on, or if it's a kids card, I add animals, so I can use that as a variation. And here I used my kids scrapbook with all this. Most of the page I use the Cricut machine, small tiny theme based patterns to make it more beautiful. Our cutting is ready right now, and now I'm going to press unload. It's ready. Let's see how it cut out. So for this, I'll take out I'll take out. Explore and inspire. Ta-da! So my explore and inspire print is ready. So I can take this out and print it, paste it on a piece of paper and make a card. This is the frame and that's the insert. So I can use both for any future art project. And this is really exciting and can easily make any print, your children's name or any other brand name you can easily make with the help of Cricut machine. So thank you for watching my video. See you later. Until then, bye bye from Explore and Inspire. See you again.